Welcome to Carja, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, detailed specifications, and cutting-edge features. Today we take a closer look at the stunning 2025 Ferrari 812 GT, a masterpiece of Italian engineering that redefines speed, luxury, and performance. The Ferrari 812 GT is designed for those who crave adrenaline-pumping power with an unmistakable blend of style and sophistication. Under the hood, this beast houses a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine that delivers a breathtaking 830 horsepower and 690 Nm of torque. Paired with a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission, the 812 GT rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.7 seconds, making it one of the quickest Grand Tourers ever created. Ferrari has pushed the limits of performance with enhanced aerodynamics, active rear-wheel steering, and an advanced traction control system that ensures maximum grip on every twist and turn. Sleek and aggressive, the 812 GT's exterior is a perfect blend of aerodynamics and artistry. Sculpted air vents, a redesigned front fascia, and an integrated rear diffuser contribute to better airflow and improved downforce, enhancing stability at high speeds. The LED headlamps and taillights give it a modern, futuristic appeal, while the signature quad exhausts produce a symphony that echoes Ferrari's racing heritage. Every curve of this Grand Tourer is crafted for both beauty and function, making it a head-turner on any road. Step inside and you're greeted by a luxurious cockpit that seamlessly blends performance with comfort. Premium Alcantara, carbon fiber accents, and hand-stitched leather create an atmosphere of sophistication. The driver-faked layout ensures that every control is within reach, with a digital instrument cluster providing real-time performance data. The steering wheel is equipped with Ferrari's signature Manettino dial, allowing drivers to switch between driving modes effortlessly. The infotainment system is upgraded with a high-resolution touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and an advanced navigation system, ensuring that connectivity is never compromised. The 812 GT isn't just about raw power and speed. It features state-of-the-art technology, including adaptive suspension for a smooth ride, an improved stability control system, and AI-driven predictive braking for enhanced safety. The chassis is engineered with lightweight materials, ensuring optimal weight distribution and handling precision. The advanced driver assistance systems provide additional confidence, making long journeys effortless while maintaining Ferrari's signature driving engagement. Ferrari has also focused on efficiency, integrating an advanced cylinder deactivation system to optimize fuel consumption during relaxed drives. The exhaust system has been fine-tuned to provide a thrilling soundtrack while complying with stringent emission regulations. With improved aerodynamics, weight reduction, and refined engine mapping, the 812 GT delivers both exhilarating performance and enhanced efficiency. Owning a Ferrari is more than just having a car. It's an experience. The 812 GT offers a personalized driving feel, with customizable options for interior trims, paint finishes, and performance upgrades. Ferrari's cutting-edge technology allows remote monitoring and diagnostics, ensuring the vehicle remains in peak condition at all times. Whether on a racetrack or an open highway, this Grand Tourer adapts to every driving condition with ease. The 2025 Ferrari 812 GT is a statement of power, precision, and passion. With its roaring V12, breathtaking acceleration, and striking design, it stands as one of the most thrilling Grand Tourers of all time. Ferrari continues to push boundaries, blending heritage with innovation to create a driving experience like no other. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest car releases, features, and expert insights, make sure to subscribe to Car Fusion. Your support helps us bring you the best automotive content. And we'll see you in the next video.